Hello Heasleys, this is David with Capitol Cricket Heritage. Just a real short video for you. So I'm standing in number 1210. It's a 3-bedroom on the side of the apartment building next to Rogers Road. Your apartment 1204 is about 3 apartments away from the road, but I just wanted to come in and video and hopefully try to pick up or not pick up noise or any ambient noises that are coming from outside. So I'm going to turn the phone around and show you. So you can see through these windows here, Rogers Road is right up here. And I'll be quiet for a moment. I honestly cannot hear a thing. So, and then bedrooms. All right. And then going down, this is a little different from your floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom. But then this corner apartment here on the building. I heard a bird just fly by that was squawking. So that's really all that I heard. I hope this helps. Again, this is 1210. You applied for number 1204. It is 3 apartments downward that way and on the other side of the building. So if you have any questions, give me a call, 919-556-1872. Thanks.